We want to find the exact value, so no calculator, of cosine 2 alpha, given that sine alpha is 8/17 and alpha is in quadrant 2. Well, in order to find exact, we're going to be needing to use an identity. So let's think about the double angle formula for cosine 2 alpha. When we find it with the sum and difference formula, we get cosine squared alpha minus sine squared alpha. But remember, there's two other versions of this identity, because you could use a Pythagorean identity and replace either the cosine squared alpha or the sine squared alpha. Well, since they gave me sine alpha, why not get this one in terms of sine as well, and then we can just use what we know sine is. So we're going to put 1 minus sine squared alpha in for cosine squared alpha using a Pythagorean identity, and then we have another minus sine squared alpha. So that was another version of the double angle formula for cosine. If you don't have them memorized, you can just easily figure it out with the Pythagorean identity. So cosine 2 alpha equals 1 minus 2 sine squared alpha. And so we can take 1 minus 2 and we can replace the sine alpha, and we'll put a squared on it, with 8/17. And now we just need to simplify, and we've got it. So that's going to be 1 minus 2. And so if we square 8, that's 64 over, if we square 17, that's 289. And so that is 128 289ths. And so if we made 1 into 289ths, 289ths over 289ths minus 128 over 289ths is 161 over 289ths.